there are a number of different ways that you can split test hero images for Amazon FBA. A lot of people will tell you that what you should use is a company who will allow you to put your hero image in front of people who will then say what their preference is. A little bit like Tinder, you know? It's kind of like Tinder, swipe left, swipe right. It's kind of like that. Now, I will tell you, I think that's a terrible idea, doing that, and I don't think you should do that at all, because that does not put your image in front of your potential customers. It just puts your image in front of random people. And what the hell do they know? And what the hell do they care? It means nothing. The data you get back is at best biased, at worst unusable and rubbish. So what is the better way of doing it? Well, the better way of doing it is to put your images to the ultimate test. And the ultimate test is to put them in front of your actual customers with an offer and see which ones they use to go buy with. That's the ultimate test. And in the marketplace, it's the only test that matters. Everything else is BS. Everything else is BS. Now, a couple of different ways you can do this. So let me show you those. Now, let me just, hopefully I've not got anything incriminating up. A little slow with my tea. So, here I am in my Amazon Facebook account. So, what you would do is you go and create a new campaign in Facebook. So let's just go through the process. So you want to do a traffic campaign. And of course you want to call it your whatever it may be, whatever product you're going to be, dog stuff, whatever it is, okay? So you want to set up and the traffic campaign is important because what you're trying to do is you're going to send people outside of Amazon, and that what's called a consideration is the best way of doing this to get the best results the fastest for you, and you want results as quickly as possible. Now here immediately you've got your first opportunity. You can just set up a split test right there. You can, and the variable can be your creative. Okay, that is now in a situation where you can put your advert in front of your customers, and what you will say to Facebook is, here is version A of my hero image, this one for instance. Here's version B of my hero image, this one for instance. Let's put hero image A and hero image B in front of my target audience, grannies looking for presents for their grandkids, and let's see which image gets clicked on the most, because that will tell you absolutely with certainty which image is best. It's in the front of your customers. They're going to click on it to go buy your product. That tells them which one's best. That is a very, very simple way to do it. You'll get that data back very, very quickly, and it beats the hell out of doing it through one of those pieces of software that put it in front of random people to get the information. So that's one way of doing it. That's kind of cool. I use that all the time for lots and lots of different things. What would that cost? I don't know. $50, something like that. Wouldn't cost much. You wouldn't want to. You'd only need. You wouldn't need many clicks to ascertain which one is best. I've got no idea what your click costs are. Who knows? $50, something like that. So there's that way, all right? That's one great way of doing it. The other great way of doing it is to use something like lead pages. So here is lead pages. Here's one of my landing pages. Here it is. I'll give you this one right now. I don't own this brand anymore, so you guys can go at it. Go for your friggin' lives. Now, I can send my traffic from my Facebook advert, and instead of doing a split test, I can just do what I think will be my best image, or indeed I could do anything. I could do an image of a video of a dog, for instance. So I could use different forms of creative, and then instead of sending them to an A/B test directly in Facebook, I can bring them to a landing page like this, and I can split test my hero image, which is this hero image right there, this one right here. I can split test my hero image right there, okay? So I can just do it there. I can create a split test in this particular piece of software that will show half of the people who click on my Facebook ad this landing page with this hero image, and the other half who click on my Facebook ad the same landing page but with a different hero image. And then I can simply see which one gets the most add to cart, and that will tell me which hero image I should use. Again, that gives you definitive, usable data from your actual customers instead of this BS that other folks tell you to do that gives you nothing at all, in my not so humble opinion. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.